Hi guys! So I just wanted to do a quick message for you guys as you prepare for spring break. I guess you guys have all heard the news. We are not going to be going back to school. I felt like I could hear some cheers from across the county from some kids, and I'm sure that some of you guys are probably a little disappointed like I am. But either way, we will move forward and we'll continue to digitally learn. But I do want to share with you that I hope that you take some time to get away from school altogether for spring break and you relax and you be a kid. I have gotten so many projects and I can't wait to start looking at all of them. If you are stressing yourself out and you were unable to finish your project before submission tomorrow, then finish it when you can. I think that I'm accepting work from everyone as you can get it done. This doesn't mean wait till the last minute and overwhelm yourself and have 42 projects done, but I'm also being very relaxed with timelines. It's more like a expected due date to keep yourself on pace, not more like if you don't turn it in by here, it's whatever. So just make sure you know that I am here to support you. I do not want you to stress out. I know you are working as hard as you can. Some of you guys are working so hard, and I'm so proud of you. So I want you to do exactly what spring break is intended for and give yourself a break, however it is. It's definitely not going to be as fun seeing that we are not going to be able to go out and about and do so many things, but go outside, play, stay inside, play video games, do whatever it is that you want to do, and do not think about school for a whole week. So with that being said, I want to give my shout outs, my pre-spring break shout outs. And I'm wondering, what are you guys going to do for spring break? I wonder if Andrew Fang is going to take all of his knowledge and write his own textbook. If he did, I'd buy it. I wonder if Raquel O'Leary and Abby have gotten together to join and create their own online percussion group. I wonder if Mary Pruitt is going to hang out with her mom and drink a whole bunch of LaCroix or any other sparkling water. I wonder if Wynn is going to hold his own robotics championship. I kind of think that would be kind of cool. I wonder how much tennis is Jaden Dodia actually going to play. I know I'm going to try to relax and step away from the computer a little bit over the next week. I hope that you do the same. You have nothing that you have to worry about for social studies, but if you need me, you're welcome to reach out. I hope you enjoy yourselves. I think you're awesome, and I will see you in a week.